Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good afternoon to all of you. As we all know, on the next Wednesday we will have a presentation on during class regarding our project and as well as the submission for this project as well. So today we are going to today this meeting is conducted to discuss about our report. I will share my screen. So if you have any idea, because right now we have 3 pages only, but Madam wants maximum 4 pages. If maximum.
Yes.
So if you have any idea or want to add anything in the report, you can raise up your hand and tell me.
Hanisah, for part discussion part, I think we can add more. Yes, for part discussion.
Part discussion, alright.
Of the.
You have send the email to me, alright?
Yes, I already sent to you.
Yeah, I'll try to check my email. So what about now?
I think the part I made that is methodology. I think I went to add some input, another input, so it will be
longer. Which part you want to add? You will send email letter or you have sent to me earlier? Shah? Maybe he has internet problem. Okay. So what about others?
Hanisah, can you a bit upper?
Let we see for the part introduction.
Yeah, we start from the introduction first.
Okay.
The most important part, we must format, which is can you check for the
from the format. Okay,
we must use font types
IEEE. Yes, anything?
Okay, for part introduction I think okay. Next part.
So the related theory, I chose, since I did that part, so I chose mode 10 counter, discuss about what is the differences between mode,
for the introduction, do you put the number of citation?
Yes, of course. I've put below right here. The 7 segment display counter tutorial number 1. Okay, let's back to the part. Okay, so for related theory, I've choose to compare between mode 10 counter and mode 16 counter. So just a simple discussion. And Shah, He said he want to add something at the methodology. Okay.
Hanisah, wait. For the citation,
Yes. I think yeah, I put here.
after
Yes,
you,
as you
yes,
can you
okay, I see, I see.
can you see? Okay,
Yes.
this one. Okay, and mm, okay here. Here we can put to like this.
Okay.
So the synchronous model. Okay. This electronic. Okay. Oh, okay. Anything else?
This picture, Hanisah.
Oh, okay. I see.
But
So,
you must change
okay.
all the number.
So I will type here figure 1, but then
The 7 segment display, right?
777 segment display. Okay,
But
thank you.
you must change all the number for the label of figure.
Yes. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The font size of the figure also you need to change.
The font size. What is the font size?
You use 10, right? 10
Yeah, 10.
size 10. So at the figure, the label for the figure you use 11.
Oh, yeah. 10. Yeah, 10 already.
Below.
On the other.
This one.
Yes.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
I see.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, may
So-
I ask something?
Okay.
In the title above.
Yeah,
So,
title.
okay, below the University Malaysia Pahang,
Okay.
this email for what?
Leader only.
Oh,
Or
okay.
leader only?
Yeah. Okay.
Wait. For the title, is it?
Is it
We
okay
have,
or is it okay? Do you think okay?
as
Or
our
anyone
task
wants?
is count the number from the 0 to 380.
So we
I don't know.
want to add from 0. No. 0 like this.
No need to put from, I think.
Okay.
Just a bracket 0 to 300.
No need
okay,
to.
like this.
Just have a space. What?
Like this.
No need to.
No need. All right.
Yes.
Like
Yes.
this.
Yes.
Like that.
I think it's better.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Next, we
So
proceed to the simulation.
okay, simulation. Okay, so I will stop sharing my screen. Okay.
Okay, for the first IC, I will present the IC7 segment using 7490. Wait, so you guys can see.
Yes.
Okay. So basically, our task is to design BCD counter, 7 segment counter from 0 to 380. So we have to use two IC, which is first is 7490 and the second IC is 7493. So you guys, as you can see on the left side, you guys can see my
Yes.
pointer.
Yes.
Okay, on the left side is which is the BCD counter, and the right side is the BCD from BCD counter to 7 segment.
Okay.
So we have to use this type of IC to generate a 7 segment counter. So our main purpose here is to design a counter from 0 to 380. So if we don't put any gate inside here, here and here, so it will generate the number from 0 to 999, because this is a mode 10 counter, so it will count from 0 until 9, and then it will reset again. So what we have to do is we have to put a gate to limit the count. For example, as you can see for the first part, BCD counter in the top first one, our counter, we want the 7 segment count from 0 to 380, right? So we have to decide, first we have to decide 380, what is the BCD for number 3, for number 8, for number 0. Okay, then so for number 3, the BCD which is 1100. Correct. Okay. Okay. First, we have to determine the BCD for our counter. So we have to put decimal 3. Our BCD is 1100. So in this IC 7490, we read the BCD code from lower to upper. I mean, okay, if you guys can see my calculator.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so the number 1 on the right side is the LSB, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
And the left side is the MSB. So we read the counter from the here. The LSB one is the upper and the MSB is the lower. Get it? Yeah.
Yes.
So for this, we use for the 3 binary code, right? So 1100. Okay. So our main purpose here, we have to limit the count only until 3. Okay, we show you the simulation. I think you guys can see it clearly. Okay. Okay, first and foremost, why I use this, because this is a 2 source. First, we can use a manual, and second, we can use auto. Okay, so wait, I will until 3. Okay, this is by push button manual. Okay. Okay, you guys can see is a high and low. So that's mean 1100. Okay. So okay, so this part is settled. So why we have to put this gate? Okay. The counter itself, it will, if we doesn't put the counter, so it will count from 0 to 9. So we have to put the gate. And why I want to put our gate, we have to put as a output because the output from the gate we have to put at the clock of the BCD counter because we have to reset until 3, then it will reset. So we have to combine all the output from the first 7 segment, which is 3. So it will give the input to the IC BCD counter. So we have to combine all the output. So for this number 3, is supposedly high and low. So we have to put inverter here to make it as higher because the end gate operation, it will, if there any low or high in the operation, the output will be high. So you guys can use another gate as well. So depends on the operation of the gate. Okay, you guys clear about it?
Yes.
So same goes to the second one, BCD counter number 1. It number 8. So our BCD 8 is 0001. Okay. So I use no gate because no gate. Sorry, this is a O gate. No.
No,
This is
no,
no gate.
it's no.
Okay, this is no gate. So it will change if the input is a low. So if the all input is low, so the output will high. Okay, so you guys clear about it?
Yes.
Before I move to the next part. Okay, for the last IC, can I ask you if you guys understand?
You use how many flip flop? 4.
Flip flop?
Yes.
What do you mean?
For
flip
the
flop?
mode 10, we use how
Okay.
many flip flop?
Flip flop.
Flip flop. J, K flip flop, D flip flop.
Okay.
Okay.
The flip flop one is a manual. Is the inside the IC. Actually,
Okay,
is inside the. Yeah.
I see.
Okay.
Okay.
So for the last IC, can I ask you guys if you guys understand why what is our BCD for the last 7 segment
0.
based on the
Low.
okay, so 0 0 0, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I want to make it 0 because, but if you guys can see why I put the no gate actually here.
Because why?
To block from 0 to get to number 1, right? To go to number 1, right?
Okay, but then the output is blue.
Yes.
Why? So why we put
That is
so when is will turn to red?
when all the input
When
is
all the
low lah.
high.
No.
When
Because
I mean,
no,
what number in this our 7 segment will turn the output of the BCD counter to red, to the high? Okay. Just now I said for the first IC is a 3, right?
Yeah.
So we put the counter is our BCD is 1100, and this for the second is number 8. The BCD is 0001. So this is
wait,
number.
for the BCD counter 1, 100.
Okay. No. Number 8. 0, 0, 0, 1.
Oh, you start from the
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
okay.
From the LSB to the MSB.
Okay.
Okay, so the first IC is number 3, the second IC is number 8, and the third IC is number what?
Number 1.
Okay.
What number?
Hmm.
0.
0. But then the output still give the blue output. So it means low. I want to make it a high like this. Why? Okay, so basically, why we don't want to put the gate if the if I mean, okay, if we put the 0 gate for the on the this IC, so it will before we want to display the number is 0 from 0 to 380, right? So if we put the 0 as a reset counter, so it will not display on the our 7 segment. So it will 38 and then reset, 38 and then reset. We want to display the 0, so we have to put 1 for this for this IC. Okay, you guys, you can see here I put a number 1 0, 0, 1. Okay, wait, I show you. The circuit is a bit hard to understand, but okay, here, right? So the number is 0, 0, 0, 1. So BCD code for the number 1 is 1000, right?
Right.
So that I'll put this. Actually, it's a 0, so 0, 0, 0. But why I put the why I put the inverter here, because I want to make it number 1. So 1, 0, 0, 0 in BCD in binary in decimal. 1, 0, 0 is number 1. So will it will display 0. Then if the 0 count up, then it will reset all the counter. Okay. So next is, okay, the function of this start with here. Okay, then what is the function we have the output from the IC from the gate 380. Then I put all the output combined to the AND gate, because this will reset the IC. If we don't put the AND gate, so how we can combine all the output from the each IC then to reset the counter. So the RO1 and RO2 is a reset for each counter. So this one for the counter number 3, this one is counter for number 8, and the last one is counter for number 0. Okay, basically, if we put directly the first output and gate here to the reset counter, so it will display 3 and then reset, 3 and then reset. So the other number will not count. So we have to put all the output inside the AND gate, and AND gate function if all the input high and the output will also high, right? So this is the basically the function of this IC. So you guys got anything to ask? Hold on. Okay, you guys got anything to ask?
No.
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 Okay, what difference
No,
with the
question,
more
I fully understand what you say.
Sorry. Pardon?
for the other IC mode 16.
Ada.
What's
Yeah.
difference?
Shah, just now you said what? What you asking right just now?
He said he fully understand.
No, I don't have any question.
Okay. No. So we move on to the next IC, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
So for the next IC, ZAKWAN will assist and I will present the circuit. Is it clear, ZAKWAN?
Not clear. Okay, proceed.
Okay, we stop here. So basically, you guys understand what is the symbol for this and what is this, right?
Yes.
Okay, so no need to explain. So the project. Okay, this is the second IC. It's a bit harder from the first IC. Okay, Zakwan, you try to explain them first, and then I will try to assist you. Okay.
Okay, I try. Okay, first of all, I don't really understand about this circuit. Okay. It's almost same with the previous circuit, but we have to put extra gate to apa? To make this counter successfully run.
Yes.
So this counter we use mode 16, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then.
Okay, as you can Hakim. Okay,
Okay.
the okay, sorry.
Zakwan, you explain about the gate first. The right side gate first. Why we
Right
put?
side.
Yeah. Is it
Oh,
same like previous IC or is different?
it's different.
It's different or same? You just tell
Uh,
us.
okay, can you run the circuit, Hakim?
Okay.
At 388.
Okay, Zakwan, you know
Yes.
what is the meaning for 143?
143. Okay.
Yeah. You know what is the meaning?
No.
You guys know the meaning?
No.
Okay, so we proceed to the 380. 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, done, Zakwan. So may I help you another. Just tell me. I will assist you.
Okay. Okay. Okay, just like before, as you can see at the left gate, we have at the no or gate, right, for every
Okay.
counter. Okay, at the left side you can see the AND gate with inverter. Okay, with the left side is, as you can see, it will connected to the bottom left, right?
Mm.
Right, okay? If
Okay.
I'm not mistaken. Okay,
Okay.
it was same idea to apa? To reset
Yeah.
that gate. But it will must to go to OR gate first to reset.
Okay. Okay. So may
Uh,
I continue?
yes, you may continue.
Okay. So basically, if you guys can see, it have two part of gate, which
Yes.
part is right side and on the and also the left side. So the right side is the same as the previous IC. The function is same, also same, to limit from 3, 8, and 0, as you guys can see. And for this IC, the mode is 16. So it will come from 0 to 15, right?
Yes.
So that's why
Oh,
we have to put this gate on the left side for the each IC. So the main function we put the gate is to limit the count from 0 to 15. We limit it from 0 to 9. You get it? So we have to put this gate. If we don't put, it will count from 0 until 15.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah,
Gate.
so that is the main idea why we have to use a
okay.
two section of gate. Yeah, so basically, uh, okay, based on this input in AND gate, uh, one of you guys can tell me what is the BCD what is the decimal number for this IC based on
3,
the
right?
color.
0011.
Yeah, 1100. So what is the number?
1.
3.
Yes.
K3. All right. So basically this is a 3. And then also, what is the number for this gate here?
100. 1.
1.
Okay. So you see the which part is the MSB and LSB? So the bottom one is the LSB. So I read from the LSB is a 0001, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So basically, if we don't put the uh, inverter, so it 1110. Am I right?
Yes.
So 1100. So it seems like the previous the right side near gate. Okay. So this is the same for the second part. Also same. The function is to limit the counter from 0 to 15. So we want to limit the count.
Okay.
Okay. So okay. Next is the gate also same, and yeah, all same. So you guys got anything to ask?
I think
No.
no.
Yeah. Yeah, I understand. It is hard you to understand
Yes.
the
Yes.
main idea for the why we have to use the gate, right?
Yes.
Yeah, base
Hakim,
because
are you from diploma program?
no, I'm from vocational actually.
Oh, so when did you learn all this? Because we don't know, don't really know.
Uh, okay, okay. First, the IC, I don't understand, but then we have our
A
internet
friend.
on our fingertip. We have internet, also a
Oh,
friend. So we combine each, then we create the circuit lah. So
oh,
basically, you have to understand the data sheet of the each IC. So what is inside here? What is inside here? So that you can create a circuit. That's all. So Dr. Wahidah said by using multi-SIM, right?
Yes.
So
oh,
actually multi-SIM a bit harder. It's not a bit harder. It's not a compared the Proteus and multi-sim, Proteus is more user friendly.
oh,
What you yeah, for the digital circuit, but for the power system circuit and also the we want to generate sine wave, multi-sim is a good simulation. For Proteus is for programming is a good platform to simulate our circuit.
Oh,
So you guys got anything to ask?
I think no.
So that okay, is it okay we put our 7 segment to be in a green? It have three, green, red, and blue. So you want? Is it okay
Oh,
to put
it's
green?
okay. Okay. I
Or you
think
want to combine red, green, and blue? Depends.
It's okay.
Okay. Yes, because the green one is not a political issue, but I think it may have a political.
okay. Okay.
So is there anything else?
I think
Our
yeah.
conclusion is not done yet or already done?
Oh, this is the conclusion. But last night when I saw the email from Faris, I tried to compile all the documents. Okay, so I
Okay.
don't know where is my fault. So some words are missing from the original report. Uh,
Then you
yeah,
inform us
it's
in the email.
okay. Okay, I
uh
will just have to compile everything. Yes,
um
Faris?
you can see for the part discussion, is it okay or not? Uh
Oh, this one is okay. Okay.
I
Which one?
this table, do you think how do you think okay, is it okay or not?
Yeah. We use this table
Ah,
to generate our BCDs, our binary, our decimal number.
okay.
So is appropriate to put here.
Next apa Nisa?
Okay. Can.
Okay. Okay. So, anything else?
For the discussion, okay.
I think
think
the discussion is okay.
So now our pitch in have a 4 pages, right?
Yeah,
not
yeah.
full. But Shah want to add more for the methodology.
So Shah want to put what? What in the inside the methodology?
I don't know. Shah, he
He
will
has
send
line problem.
email to Hanisa later.
Yeah.
Okay, so that maybe Shah can put the IC which
Explanation.
we use this we use the 790 and 793, right? And
Uh,
also the
yes.
BCD
7 segment.
BCD to 7 segment. So it have to mention on the part methodology part. I mean brief about the what is the main function of the IC74LS, I think, if I'm not mistaken. 74LS.
Yes.
Hello?
I have
Okay.
Yeah, so maybe
some Shah
Shah
can
can put say the methodology.
have a problem line maybe.
Okay, it's
Uh-uh.
okay. So the reference is it have any style, any format?
No. Uh, format that have given by media like
For our presentation on the next Wednesday, I think if anyone want to prepare some slides, just go on, because if you want to read everything from the report,
I think
the short text. Short text.
Dr. Wahida don't want us to make a
Slide.
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 Right?
Yeah,
Don't
yeah,
want,
yeah.
or
You
it's
don't need
up to
to
us?
make a slide.
Sorry?
We need
She said we don't need to
uh,
prepare any slides, but for our personal reference, if you want to shorten this long sentence into simple words, then just go ahead. I think lah.
Okay.
okay.
So
Because if we want
basically,
to read, yeah,
As
okay, carry on.
the time presentation is about 10 minutes only that.
yeah. So if we want to read everything too long,
So we need
it's
to present the simulation or not?
Okay.
I think we just for the simulation, I think we just say to doctor that it can run right, and
Yeah.
what why we use the gate that we use in
yeah.
this.
Because
I think
Yeah. So
uh,
our presentation will explain what is our purpose, which our purpose is one to count from 0 to 380 by using
yeah,
two type of IC, and also we have to say about uh, what IC that we use in our project,
yes.
and also uh, and our simulation. That's all, I think.
so we need
Yeah.
to divide a new test or to present.
I think simulation is the most important thing.
Yes.
I think who do the introduction part? I mean,
Me.
it's not. Oh, you do the introduction part.
Yeah, me.
Uh, I'm worried of Shah because he have a major internet connection problem.
Yeah, yeah.
So I think Anissa, can you explain our main purpose for our the project,
Yes.
Yes.
and Faris will explain the type of IC and component that we use on the
Okay.
project, and Zakwan will explain about the simulation. That's all.
Okay.
So
Oh, okay. So I think maybe he can explain
Conclusion.
about the conclusion, yeah. So what we have achieved,
Oh,
so what we have learned during our project, so that is on a good conclusion.
okay.
Okay. Is there anything else? So thank you everyone because attending this meeting. Okay. I really appreciate all of you and the effort. Okay. So okay. Thank you. Okay. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you.
All
Okay,
right, thank you.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.